welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walmart haul. Yeah, I am back, slowly coming back to show you guys Ibotta deals. No, I did not go to Target today. Sorry, my cat is walking behind me and she's just so soft. I gotta pet her and I hate it because she's just so soft. But I did not go to Target today because I just feel like there wasn't as many deals and I'm just kind of slowly getting back there. I think Ibotta this month is one of the worst months I've ever seen. Couponing has just been kind of slow lately, and it was nice just to take a break. It was really nice. Ben's like, we were just here. I'm like, no, Benjamin, I haven't been to Walmart since I last did my last Walmart video, and that was like a month ago. So you guys, you really know how much I've missed Walmart. And I mean, the same employees are there, like I still went to the same people, but yes, I'm here to show you guys my Walmart Ibotta haul. Now, I had a long list of stuff that I wanted to do, but my store either did not carry it or they were sold out, and I'm just like, ugh. So I brought you guys some deals. It wasn't the greatest haul, but I did bring you some deals, so I'm pretty excited to share with you guys what I got. So the first deal I got is the Febreze In-Wash Odor Eliminator. Now this is something that you guys put inside your washing machine additionally to your fabric softener or your fabric laundry detergent. It just kind of gives you that extra boost to get some really stinky smells out. So this was $8.84. Now we do have a $4 off coupon that we had from sometime back in June. I want to say like June 20th or something. Smart Source, or you guys could always go to FebrezeInWash.com and you guys can get a $4 off coupon with that. So you guys would pay $4.84 for this, but then you guys can submit a $3 rebate on Ibotta, making this just $1.84. Not the greatest deal, but you know, I wanted to share with you guys some deals. They had that on Checkout 51. Sorry, I have like cat hair on my face. They did have it on Checkout 51 for the longest time, and now it's finally disappeared. So it was a better deal with Checkout 51, but oh yeah. The next deal I got is the Annie's macaroni and cheese. Now this is the 4 cheese. This is the penne noodles, which I'm like, ooh, this is something different. These are always $1 at my grocery store. They're always $1 at Target, but Walmart wants $1.48 for these things, and I'm like, this is ridiculous. So I'm really hoping the Savings Catcher price matches these. Now, what happened is I had like $14 from a previous gift card that I added on my Walmart Pay, okay? So what I did is my total, I bought groceries also, but my total came to like 50 something bucks for everything. So I ended up paying $14 with my Walmart Pay gift card, because I put that on my app. And then I just paid separately with a different gift card, and I was able to submit my receipt for Savings Catcher. Sorry, I'm like, and no, I did not get anything done with my lips. You guys are asking if I did something to my lips. No. I got like new lipstick on. It's driving me nuts. So I was still able to submit my receipt. So I only paid partially with my gift card that I had on my app, and then I paid the rest, and I was able to submit my receipt. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. But I'm really hoping Savings Catcher price matches these. But these were $1.48. We have those 25 cents off coupons that we got from a couple weeks ago. I used 2 of those coupons. I paid $2.46 for these. But then you guys will get a $1 rebate on Ibotta when you buy 2 of them, making these $1.46 or just 73 cents a piece, which could still be an okay deal. So I definitely wanted to do that deal. I was going to do the deal at Target, but that deal is only available on Ibotta, so, or only available at Walmart, so we got that. The next deal I got is the Biotene Dry Mouth Oral Rinse. These were $3.47. I used a $1.50 off coupon that we got from, I don't even remember, you guys. I'm so out of the coupon dates, it's ridiculous. But I used that $1.50 off coupon. You guys would pay $1.97 for this bottle, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making this just 97 cents. Again, not the greatest deal, but from all the way from $3.47 to 96 cents, I think that's a pretty decent deal. So, got that going on. The next deal that I wanted to do this deal, you can do 2 of them in one transaction, but my store only had 1. I'm like, really? My mother-in-law was over last night carving pumpkins, and she saw this. She's like, ooh, like they're really into stocking stuffers, like putting stuff in stockings. So she's like, ooh, this would be a perfect gift for me for a stocking stuffer. So I'm so glad I got an extra one of these. I wish we could do this deal again. But she wants this for her stocking, so I'm pretty excited. Husband just tried one of these this morning. He says it's really good, so there we go. I don't drink coffee, so we got that. But these were $1.98. Now, these are in the coffee aisle. You guys would pay $1.98 for this, but then you guys will get $1.98 back on Ibotta, making these absolutely free. Now, my app had it where you can get 2 of them, but my store only had 1. So, just wanted to share with you guys on that little freebie. Is a ton of freebies, but my store doesn't carry in it. It's like I could go to a different store, but then I have more problems couponing, and it's just like, ugh, I have a headache. Sorry, I haven't had a headache in months. I just want to like take a nap. I'm so used to not couponing right after work. I'm used to just laying down and taking a nap, but I went couponing right after work this morning. So we got that. Now the next deal I did was the L'Oreal shampoo or conditioner. And I did the repair, recharge, whatever these are. So this was $3.97, and this was $5.97. I used that 3 off of 2 coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would pay $6.94 for this, but then you guys will get $1.50 with this, and you guys will get $1.50 with this. Now you can only buy one of these. You can't buy multiple, so that's why I did that. But you guys would end up getting these for $3.94 or just $1.97. Again, not the greatest deal, but I really wanted to show you guys some Ibotta deals. I barely just made level 1. Like, I didn't even get any of the bonuses because I just didn't have enough stuff. So I wanted to do the Pillsbury deal. My store didn't have any of the Sweet Hawaiians flavor, and I'm just like, this sucks. But this is broken on the top. So, whatever. Just wanted to share with you guys on some deals like that. I ended up getting the Johnson Baby. This is a head to shampoo. Now, they had other flavors, but this was like the cheapest one. And you guys, to get the $2 deal, it has to be the 800 milliliter. So now my cat's hacking up a lung in the background, so I'm sorry about that. But this was $5.92. I had that $1 off coupon that we printed from coupons.com. I am not sure if it's still available. I don't think it is. But you guys, hold on, I gotta throw something at my cat. Paris, go away. You guys would pay $4.92 for this, but then you guys get a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making this $2.92. Now, I think for $2.92, it's an okay deal. I mean, it's a pretty big bottle, and it's got a pump, which I actually really like. My neighbor just had a baby, so I might give this to them. So, got that, and I really like the new bottle, so I had to share with you guys with that. I wanted to do the Halls deal, but my store didn't have any of the kids Halls, and then you had to get the giant bag of Halls to do the Ibotta deal. So unless you guys really need Halls, I'm a Ludens person. I don't like Halls, but wanted to share with you guys with that. I ended up getting the Listerine. Now this is the healthy white flavor. These were $5.97. a while ago there was $4 off coupons on coupons.com. Now anytime you see high value coupons, you guys need to print them out. So you guys want to use that $4 off coupon if you guys still have it. You would pay $1.97 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making this free or just a 3-cent moneymaker. So I thought that's a pretty good deal. I've tried Listerine before and I was just like, bleh, like that aftertaste was just like, bleh. So I don't know if I'll try Listerine again. We'll see. We'll see. Now, the idiot that I am, I ended up printing off a $4 off what I thought was a children's coupon on the healthyessentials.com website, but I ended up printing the adult coupon and didn't realize it until after I got to the store. But there is a $4 off coupon that you guys can print, and you guys can get this absolutely free. So this was $3.47. If you guys use that coupon, you can get it for free, but I didn't have a coupon, which I still think this is an okay deal. This is good for my son because he's got allergies too, but this is $3.47. I ended up paying $3.47 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making this just $1.47. Otherwise, if you guys have that coupon, it'll be like I don't know, a $2 moneymaker, $2.50 moneymaker or something like that. I don't know. So, wanted to share with you guys on that. But yes, that was my haul. It wasn't the greatest deal. A lot of stuff was just like not in stock, or they didn't have a spot for it. Like, I'm just like, whatever. And then my son was driving me nuts. He's taking a nap right now, so I'm just like, stay asleep until after my video. So we got that. My total came to $28.55 for everything. I ended up getting $16.08 back with Ibotta. Now I did get 10 cents back with an any receipt, so that's included in that price too. I finished level 1. Yeah, level 1. So I got a 50-cent rebate for level 1. So everything, if you guys add everything together, it came to $11.97. I ended up getting 10 items. That comes out to be $1.19 a piece. But I don't know, for 12 bucks for a lot of that stuff, I think that's an okay deal. I mean, if you guys think about it, this alone was $6. This was $6. This was like $9. So if you guys really think about it, I think I did a pretty good deal. But yes, I just want to give you guys a heads up that I am back. Another thing I want to mention is November 1st. I'm going to be doing a little video showing you guys everybody's shirts. I know you guys sent me, if you guys still haven't sent me pictures of you wearing your coupon shirts, still send them to me. I'm going to be doing a little montage video, and I'm bringing those shirts back, the Coupon Addict t-shirts, on November 1st. I'm going to try to keep them available until Christmas. So if you guys want more shirts to give to people, or you want your significant others, family, or friends to buy you those shirts for the holidays, I'm going to have it available. I'm going to try to keep it available at least for like a month for you guys. So they're usually, there's campaigns, and the campaigns last 2 weeks. So I'll be doing a video on the details on that, so stay tuned for that. But that's coming back November 1st. But yes, otherwise I'm slowly coming back, so you guys will start seeing more videos from me and everything. I just needed a much needed break. So yes, a lot of you guys are like, oh, where's your Walmart haul? Where's your Walmart haul? I just didn't want to leave the house. So, but today's a pretty good day. It's like 60 degrees outside, so we're doing good. But yes, please give my video a thumbs up if you guys enjoy it. My finger looked broken. And I will I'm sorry. I just want to say thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all next time for another Walmart Ibotta haul. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.